Now, Storm Tracker weather on Oregon News Now.
Welcome back. Hopefully everyone had a great Christmas, Hanukkah out there. It has been a busy past 24, even 48 hours. So let's get into those details. Temperatures right now sitting in the 30s out toward the Klamath Basin and the Great Basin right now. 53 for you folks in Roseburg and about 48 in Medford, where the rain is starting to come right back down. But man, it was a windy night last night. Coupled with those thunderstorms, we actually had two sets. One that moved through anywhere from Coos Bay to Eugene, and then another set that moved in from Brookings into Medford. But pretty much anyone along I-5 dealt with some lightning and those gusty winds last night. As far as peak gusts so far, we have not seen anything like what we dealt with around midnight last night. In fact, we clocked a 73-mile-per-hour wind gust at Port Orford. And some of the higher ridge tops across the region, there were 3 stations that clocked 113 to 115-mile-per-hour wind gust. That was last night, and that is the equivalent of a Category 3 hurricane. So it was a blustery night indeed. Right now, rain starting to settle in anywhere from Brookings all the way along Redwood Highway and into Medford now. No lightning, but we did have some scattered thunderstorms even here in the past couple of hours up towards Coos Bay. For now, steadier showers making its way toward Canyonville and eventually up toward Roseburg and out toward the Oregon coast. So eventually, this guy is going to be marching in, and you can see the thick cloud deck offshore. We're expecting another round of rainy, windy conditions tonight, but the thing is, not as blustery, and we still could have a little bit of thunder. That's mainly going to be toward the Oregon coast. The big story about this is, yes, the rain and wind are coming back, just a little less intense. All right, here's 1:30 through the course of the afternoon. Heavier rain starting to settle in towards Curry and Del Norte counties. Snow up towards Crater Lake. Highway 62 is going to remain like blizzard-like conditions through the course of the afternoon. Out toward the east side, though, you can see a few breaks in clouds for now, but eventually as we kind of make our way toward 5 o'clock, storm starts to move in. Steady rain all the way along I-5 from Northern California all the way up toward Corvallis. Now, here's when activity really starts to pick up around midnight tonight. And notice this does indicate snow across the Klamath Basin and Lakeview, but we are expecting kind of a mix of rain and snow, so the totals are not going to be as high. Let's take a look at that regional forecast across the region.
Over